Oyom be Eda Patrick Do, a former assemblyman. And you can town development committee chairman. Me have Rubung Bubole Jabata to Banto Enya Miapa Fatilis here to Miller, ship company to Miller. Me community media wagba, me too, blogger, 30 rooms lemon. Miga Jabagba, Miga Be, Dabala Ulaman to Parliamenti, Unami, Beparenti, Albemi Baho. At a however, Lulwalek Begbabe, if you get me to fear lova kumi, me did government and Parliamenti, NGO. No, supporting me. Biama de Caracona, ha, work Parliamenti, Assemblyman Bagbajan, Itado, Echala Moji, La Cucudana Mo, Cafimete me do tapama. Me Henek Beparenti, but work Parliamenti, Natia Wukon. Next year, ni ho ha, a woman anita, fly, name be me a GV, American woman, there's a recommended woman, experimenti, Jasuga copper, Comiati ai, so offer ye ha, many near issue, the love dagger, Pitoto, Akiati ai, a Mohammed, no more to torture me, what here, when I got you. I saw over me and big face it for Mahanya. Never a sheet out with Walla. Be careful, let woman. A she honor the whole wall of woman. If I mean a new phone, I gave you a caffeine either a goma. Ritaja. A she haul more, but she hawk mocata. And your foot penemy. Tammy did be you run a permanency, no one could me hamianti. I'll be your gana view, minya. No permanency, milk huji, nada apoto. A veto in your collage. Collage, I love you, pa. No jagwa banak permanency.
Club Okweji all project say me start day. You over sell Akpoji. Me take $2 MP kwa. No government officials sale me complain over here.
Me complain on later kwa ile this assembly not parliament mi na MP nya do ko be yoko parliament ya ka up to na fie mi na na kasamo o kata wonya
Okay, me say ha be echinunu no fu den na me le do me pa.
eshi nu de flami pa eshi me miragbe pe e ko shi dogo na o metinya ku mi miragbe mo kwa ka fie be we ka no fu pe mo mi bia politank to assembly ganto mo mi na shi eva na mi spoiler ma ha pomo le economy o na fu pe mi pa
Wa pipe le o her pipe va.
o ga papi ba to ge pa ke ge pota ke she zire kako she ado le kosra kama na unu mala so na kwila mo ha ka she be avo o ye ku ga no fu pa sometimes aro pure water mi je ka fi ko danu pure water e mi je ka fi ko danu eta no parliamenti na be mo ti awon na keni mi kro ha no na mi politan gama bia menene mi ko dalo do ma fi ko mi oku heji a report o to shinya ogbo
Concerning your security issues so hande. Edwomede
Edwomari fie efififi pi no onji amu benyu police station overall mi lege kla na yiga ma fi esugbato police station da kateta a police da kateta ha malani
Chane Polkonodo police station, the police would over Nayalo Moko Wuhonu.
o nu sianu dopo nu sianu police over no gama ve police eva no anyiku ko wonya ku kwa evo police ara gama gali
Police station and they me complain chuntine.
mi compre ba kaka regional nuke minister bo
James Gunua.
mi de gama kata aka up to no mi na nakasamo
Jebetato community la mi le fukpene kodzinya ne kodie tso la me ye waƒe me wa yi la me ye waƒe me even kra no yi le gama kra na mro va kodzia ne sisi wo le mi gba case de sia de ko be o mi ko yi especially na modo wo fofu ne ma wa wodo no a obe mi twa yi so ga kofe nta always a ke mi aglo be o eta driga kple domedu wule ma wa ye ko a cho para ne mi nta o mele kodie mele do wa active ele be wa jagba le mi nti mi le vivia de ke sem be kodzi le mi gbo mi le vivia de ke sem besi agbe ye mi mo ha mo nyo no be mi akọ mi okọ iso akọpa afuko pe mi no karo me mi kọ mi aro okọ ye ha moto to no le duji ya karo mo kra wo jana nyi le moji e die fula mi pa special na shi gaja ya la ola na je do aka koma kwa no na ji ola mo pati kare kan no okofo ta fu de la mi pa
Okay.
aglobe hola mi tui mi gbe kake do ma mlo kata o kata o le ne ma nuvo ne ma mi hene kpere nguti to na ba wu ne mi kene mi ho a na mede je do alo amede bi ajivia ne wati ajine akpo doctor gbagbo no wajivi ne mi because o mele vi jine mi legio na nya menya fofu bi ajivi ko iso ga kofe na fu mela siwa ke fie bi ne ga ba de kukufu keke ka fie wa twa akoyi no ta mi le fu pempa mi ha mi pele Ghana tonti ta no jagba ne mi ne ko je 30 unity mi to mi je goma na wa jagba be wa wu ne mi kene mi wa mi ano vivie sem bi ale Ghana to kata me si amele sem ne
Egbonyalebe yonto yo jegomo youth of the community we jegomo lo amodo chuta pobu va pele mienti alo government e je dogomo hafi ocha koji.
o akpe no eduo kple youth ma glo be duo ne me be duo kwa ame si ame le duo ma le ma me shishi kple deviwo kata wo cho de le me kafi amu ha me yo nya me ganga ma wa wo la si de me ye wo la tadola mo gbo wo le nu ho be assemblyman o kple to wo le kuku de na mo yo pekple le mienti ke mi va do refill level ma fie mi gbe fie
Okay. Onyama mleto ne government.
o enya ma glo ne government e ko nyembe la mi o hala agave jebeta to a mi wa mi kple le Ghana nti nta ne jagba be ye jagba ne mi ne mi ha ne alo le wo ne Ghana vi o kwa no le tu o checking kwa agave jebeta to mi le saftonu le fota region me ne wa jagba be ye don ku mi eji no le wo na mi o kwa no awe ne mi ha ne ma akpene
Right, I'm Obed Akpolo, staff nurse at Jebetato Taje Chips. This is the third or fourth apartment that someone or a native of a town has given out for us to use. So this place currently, we've had a lot of challenges, ranging from shelf. We don't have shelves that will keep our medications. Storeroom, there is no storeroom. And the place that we are using currently, we have other people that rent the apartment. So, and we have only one entrance. So, in case in the evening and you have a case and the people come around to call you, you have to knock at the door for the people staying in the room to come out and open for you. Even that will delay some time before you attend to the clients. From this town, Jebetato, to Sogakope, if you refer a case, motorbike will take like 50 cities. In and out, that will be 100 cities. So, talking about the road, if we refer, because of the means of transport and the cost involved, they will tell you they can't afford. So, most of them don't go on the referral. They rather stay in the house or still come back here for you to continue treatments. Meanwhile, this is a chips compound and you have the limit at which you can operate. Also, we don't have any staff bungalow, so you have to rent in town. And that one is at our own risk. I'll put it that way because at any time they can come and call you. Even midnight, they'll just come. There's no security. They'll come and call you that they have a case. Then you have to attend to them. So if you have a clinic with a bungalow attached, I think anytime that they come around, we can attend to them with no fears. The tap flows only once a week, which is another problem. I'll put it that way, because this cattle rearing community and the ponds and the streams around, cows also go and drink it. Some channel their bathing water into it, and when they fall on that same water, I mean the stream and the ponds around to drink or use it to cook, it's predispose them to a lot of disease, and those that even bath it have some skin rashes that they report with. So if we can at least have a tap running like 3, 4, 5 times, or even throughout the week, that one will be grateful.
Looking at the CHIPS compound being put up, how many people or patients can it detain?
Okay, what they are putting up now, I think we have like 13 rooms, including staff accommodation. So we'll have public health units, we'll have a place for clinicals, we have a clinical site that's for outpatient treatment. Then after the completion, they are planning to deploy a midwife to the CHIPS compound. So at the moment, we are not running any antenatal services. So when they complete, then we'll add the antenatal services, which will boost the outpatient number, probably.
Okay, so if in case you have a case, right, and you need to transport the patient to other hospital, which hospital do you transport them to?
Okay, we refer them to the Sogakope District Hospital or Kumbuni. Those are referral points. And also Dodokope Health Center. So for the Dodokope Health Center, they have to cross a river. Yes. So that's also another challenge. If we have a bridge, so because it's just a small river, it's not that wide. So you have a bridge to bridge that gap. The movement from Dodokope to Chebetato will be shorter as compared to from Chebetato to Kumbuni or District Hospital. Right.
From here to Sugakope or district hospital Kambini, how many hours?
I think that would be like 30 minutes or 45 minutes ride.
On motorbike?
Yes. And getting the motorbike is another challenge. I earlier spoke about the fare involved. The riders do charge like 50 cedis. That's going and coming back to another 50 cedis.
All right. So you spoke about the road in your previous statements.
Yes.
What do you want on the road? Is it an ambulance to be transferring people, or you want the road to be tarred?
If the road is tarred, that would be a permanent solution. Because during the rainy season, we can't go out, we can't come in. You have to wait for some time for the mud to get dried up before you can move. So within that period, when there is any emergency and you even call the ambulance or any other car to transport the patient for you, it will be another headache. So I think the solution in that aspect will be a child route that will help us.
Makunya ngwa keke Doris manu pocho jabatato shia la mamile nyo shia nu mamile yako nu mamile jabatala yako nu mamile yako la mamile sati de ka faro shila misereka sat junu de ka kura ga romo junu de ka nte ishima yako mi kon dami yako mi lenle yako mi kon de siaro o me de vio ben tikata gble nye to ra nye tik gble
yako la mile ye mi ko la nu ha dami ye mi le nu ha eta de vio ben tikata wo kusakusa nye kra nye tikata kusakusa ta nya ko bi ehye mo nyom nya kpere nyinti ne da ha mi aba de ni
Amaka yo mi le bi never kpele yunti.
mio dirugwe ne ba kpere nyinti no aba de da ni
Kene echi e woni kede kene echi maja yo toto hubu de ga mi no chikona no mo bupa.
mo wo pa bia ka go mo ni za no sikun la ti fi echi le moji na fon aserege ka fi afoshi ava kushi nya ogo ta mi akpere nyinti
Jidudu ebe ne bakwe mio mite kwe ke jidudu ebe.
Ma jidudu na kwere mienti. Nenya va kpɔ mɔgbɔ miawɔ hã ne mi. Ne miawo dumɔ na anye edu. Ho ane tsɔ nuvi le ta kwa. Wofle no.
Ekule memile. Enye ka yetam kata disakpa. Ya kule memile ku biko ndesere wo ye ku mikolo nya. Yeta ya ku mikolo nda yeta kpo enye ka dai mede. Enye ka dai mikpa. To. Sakpa biti hota mami.